everyone, welcome back to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck for a quick video update. This is take 945. I am not good at these things. How y'all doing? I thought I'd do a quick video update this bright and sunny Friday afternoon, kind of fill you all in on what's going on, where I've been. I've been kind of quiet lately, I know. As far as the challenge, hope you all are still on track with the challenge. I myself have got sidetracked, I'll admit. I know how to do it because I vlogged about it 31 days in a row, and you can find those right up there. And I know it works because I proved it, and all my numbers are in the videos right up there. And the weight came off and the blood pressure came down, so I know it works. The hard part is motivating yourself to stay on track. And I had some stressful events happen last weekend that kind of sidetracked me, and I'm getting my second dose of the COVID vaccine Sunday. That's kind of distracting me. Whether you get the vaccine or not, that's your choice. I personally chose to get it, so there's that. Because of that vaccine on Sunday, I canceled my appearance on Chef AJ for Wednesday. I did not want to be in front of thousands of people feeling the effects of possible effects of a vaccine. So we'll postpone that until probably September. But in the meantime, I have been trying to get back into the blog, into the YouTube stuff, and been trying to get back on Instagram and just trying to motivate myself to get off my butt and do something productive. Last weekend, I actually made a video recipe. I haven't done that in a long time. So, hours of effort. So I cleaned up my office, got it all nice and pretty, set up the cameras, got the right angles, set up the microphone, set up the lights, had everything looking good. Got the food down there and the utensils and started cooking and pressed record. Everything was going great. The recipe was amazing, by the way. And when it was all said and done and over with, I got the blog camera out to take some photos for the recipe blog at brandnewvegan.com, and took a whole bunch of photos. And again, it was great looking photos. The recipe was good. It was tasted great. Everything was perfect. And went upstairs and cleaned up all my mess, and later on I was down in the office looking at the pictures to see exactly what it was that I captured, and there was this one mushroom that didn't quite look right. And of course, it's in every single photo. Every single photo. It wasn't a mushroom. It was a piece of cardboard. I have no idea how it got there. I didn't put it there. I didn't open any packaging that needed cardboard. I have no idea where it came from. It was, a stir fry basically with vegetables and some mushrooms and some sauce. That was it. Where'd the cardboard come from? I have no idea. It was about that long. It was about that wide. And of course, it was in every single photo. So that whole thing got scrapped. I think I have a picture. I'll show you. You can get a quick laugh if you want. It happens. So anyway, I will try to remake that recipe tonight or tomorrow. So you have something new to try. It is challenge compliant. There's no oil. It's very low fat. Nothing processed. It's all whole foods. If you want to leave the cardboard in, feel free. It does add more fiber. And no, we did not eat it. I caught it before I ate it. But it's like, what, my first attempt at a long time to do a recipe, and it has a freaking piece of cardboard in it. Anyway, so that's what's going on. The challenge is kind of, I didn't quit. Breakfast and lunch are easy. I can do that in my sleep. I eat the same thing for breakfast. I'm still having my oatmeal. I'm still having my toast. I'm still having my Marmite. Lunch yesterday was some Yukon Golds. I posted a picture on my Instagram with a couple of hot sauces I was trying out. Cholula versus, how do I say it? Hold on. I gotta look. I don't want to mispronounce it. Let me look at my Instagram. Hashtag brand new vegan, by the way. If you want to follow me, I would appreciate it. Tapatio. Tapatio? Yeah. Anyway, it's a Mexican hot sauce. I never tried it. And I had a lot of comments on that. A lot of people like Cholula. I love Cholula. That's my favorite. But anyway, that was my lunch yesterday. Some potatoes and salsa and green chili and some hot sauce. So that's not the problem. For me, it's dinner. Because when dinner rolls around, I usually want an adult beverage. I know. Adds calories. And it's usually something not quite as good as breakfast or lunch. A little bit more fat, sometimes more processed. Frozen French fries. It's my worst enemy. I love the things, but they are not good for you. And anyway, yeah, I gotta get back on track. And I've gained 5 pounds, so it's ridiculous that it takes you 2 months to lose all this weight, but you can gain 5 back in like a matter of days, a week. It's crazy. But that's where I'm at, and that's where the blog's at. That's why I haven't been on YouTube for a while. The stressful thing last weekend, it's over with. Got that done and out of my hair. The vaccine will be next. We'll get that done out of my hair. I'll try to get outside. I like doing this outside. Of course, the neighbors are watching me, and the dogs are barking in the back, and Winston, my cat's prowling around here somewhere. But yeah, this is kind of nice. Just sitting here talking to the camera outside, not in my stuffy old office. So I might do this more often and get back on my walking Wednesday walks. That is really awkward, taking the camera, especially a big old honking thing like this, walking with you and pointing it at things. You get the cops caught on you. I had that happen before. There's a video somewhere up there, you can find it. I talk about that, but anyway, yeah, get back on my walks and get back to eating better dinners, and we'll be back on track. And we'll get another recipe out here soon without the cardboard, and some more videos. And yeah, vacation's over, brand new vegan. Get your butt back off the couch and get back to work. That's what I'm going to do. That's all I got for now. I will see you in that recipe video whenever it comes out. So until then, y'all take care. And this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.